Have your CNC parts been bumped or scratched due to packaging? Will you encounter bumps or scratches on CNC parts when receiving them? As long as the packaging is improved, these problems can be easily solved. Do you know what the standard packaging process is? First, before packing CNC machine parts, we will inspect the parts to ensure that products are perfect, no other quality issues. Second, if there are quality problems with CNC machine parts, we will remake or scrap them. Third, we will also clean the product to remove dust on the surface of the product. Fourth, if there is oil or other contaminants on the surface of CNC machine parts, we will use special cleans to clean them. Fifth, when we pack CNC machine parts, we will use appropriate packaging methods to ensure that the parts are not damaged during transportation. Sixth, we will indicate the name, specifications, quantity, and other information of the product on the package. That helps customers identify products quickly and ensures products are not mixed up during shipping. The above 6 points can ensure that CNC parts are safely delivered to customers without defects. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about CNC machining, please leave a message here.